Thank you for joining, and in this video we are going to cover about the equation driven curves. So equation driven curve is a tool in SolidWorks that will allow you to define the function of y which is based on the x values calculations. Let's go into the sketch and then I can show you what I mean. So I can go into the front plane and start sketching. So what I can do is I can go into the sketch toolbar, and in the ribbon section I can go into the spline, and in the spline there is an option equation driven curve. So I'm gonna click it. Okay, here under the equation type it is explicit right now. So in the parameters we can see here is the function y which is dependent on x1 and x2. So I can say like if y is equal to x plus 30, and then I need to give the values of x. I can say it's from 0 till 50. So you can see a line. Actually this line is starting from not from origin, because we added x plus 30. So this is a 30 point above from the origin. So if I want to delete 30, so I would say just y is equals to x. So you can see it is gonna start from the origin because the x1 value is starting from 0 till 50. If I would say like sine y is equals to sine of x, so there should be a sine wave. Look, there is a sine wave. And if I can just press the F key, so in this way we can just draw different equations in SolidWorks.
Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.
Okay, so if I want to go back again into equation driven curves, so right now you can see in the equation type, before that I was working with explicit. So what if I want to go into the parametric? So in the parametric you can see this equation is based on t. So you just need to choose the values of t. I can say from 0 till 20, and then I can say x is equals to t, y is equals to t minus 10. Look, there is a line. It's gonna draw a line, or if I would say t plus 10. Okay, look, the line is plus 10 from the origin. So in this way I can just control my sketches by using the equations. So in this way we can control our sketches by using equations in SolidWorks. So it's a really powerful tool, I would say. In this way you can draw different models, like if you generate some different equations from different softwares and you want to draw a model, so you can just draw it.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.